Hello girls, welcome to a new Shein unboxing video. This time I ordered some elegant, bold and slightly rugged style pieces. There's one item in particular that I'm so excited about because it's literally the skirt of my dreams. So stay until the end of the video to see my reaction and choose your favorite piece. I promise it'll be hot because there are so many beautiful outfits. Remember that all the product information is in the description, and also very important, from May 25th to June 2nd, enjoy up to 90% off and free shipping. So now you know, don't miss out on this amazing discount. Okay girls, back to the video. The first piece is this striped blouse, super casual but with a sexy and bold touch. Thanks to the off-shoulder design, I think this blouse is perfect for everyday wear, especially in this hot weather. I really like that. The next piece is this casual white dress that looks super elegant. I really love the design. The fabric is super fresh and comfortable, perfect for this hot climate. Honestly, this dress is a total wardrobe essential. My girls, it's so beautiful. You need to have it in your closet, okay? This is another super casual and beautiful dress that caught my attention because it's super cute and elegant. The design is gorgeous. I absolutely loved this dress. Look, it's so cute, right? I love it. And well, the big moment has arrived to see the rugged skirt I ordered. And it's this one. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's perfect. The perfect punk rock skirt that my closet was missing. I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Now let's move on to the next piece that I was definitely super excited to get, and it's this gorgeous white trench coat. Super elegant and casual, and definitely a wardrobe basic. I love trench coats. Like seriously, I'm obsessed. One more for my collection. It's absolutely stunning. So beautiful, yeah. Now let's look at this beautiful and gorgeous wine red leather jacket. Oh my gosh, girls, look how amazing it is. Definitely another basic we need in our closet, okay? It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look, 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 look. Definitely super beautiful. And well, my girls, lastly I ordered these two accessories. The first one is this super elegant and beautiful satin scarf. It honestly brings back so many memories from when my mom used to take me to school when I was like 7 years old. The girls used to wear scarves like this around their necks, and it looked so pretty because it was actually part of the uniform. And finally, as my last accessory, I ordered this earring set that comes with so many earrings, and they're all super pretty. And well, my girls, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more Shein unboxings and super pretty and elegant outfits, I'll leave the playlist with all the videos right here. Bye! Bye!